See, this is the stuff I gotta deal with. This guy over here, Viren, Vincent, but they helped me out again today. Getting this all wrapped up in primer, nothing special. Spent a good amount of hours on it. Nice balloon, Vincent. Alright, we over here, almost ready for primer. We got this guy over there blowing balloons. Alright. Yeah, go ahead. Oh, here you go. Go do another look for your brother.
Oh, what if I do 2 of them?
Yeah, you can do that. It's all good. I think balloon break is over, right? Is it balloon break over? Yeah? Alright. Let's get back to work. We got Viren over here helping tape up and getting ready for primer. Say hi, Viren.
Hi.
Say a word to your mother. Looks like we're good to go. Boring stuff, but keep you guys posted. So we are ready for primer, all taped off, and they helped me tape it up. So I'm gonna go have Viren go locate the primer gun. You think you can handle that?
Yeah, sure.
Let's see if he finds it. Lucky guess. Lucky guess.
Spray.
Thank you. You're gonna be spraying this, Viren, okay?
I know.
Look at all the other guns. Something we built up over the 20 years span of working on cars. Almost ready for primer. I'm gonna show you how I get the spray in the garage without annoying the neighbors and all that. I got this real big box that I built for a plenum. You know, I got a big old industrial fan in here, and it creates a vacuum in this little area. Of course, it's got a filter. It's all funky looking, but keeps all the overspray from going to the neighbors and the environment, so it's good. And I'll shut the garage right on this right here. And that's pretty much it. I sprayed it complete in here. I sprayed that skyline in here. Came out pretty clean. We're not ready to spray yet, are you? Okay, go ahead and turn the fan on. We're gonna do a demonstration. I think it's loud as hell. Go ahead, press it. Yeah, so that's how I get all the fumes and not irritate the neighbor and the environment. You know, we gotta be by the book at least, filter it out. But yeah, so that's my setup for home. Unless I got a big job, then I gotta go rent out a paint booth somewhere. So we are gonna get ready to mix up some primer. Got some of this Tamco, and also one of the Tamco liners, the first time using it. Got tired of using a 3M. Ain't no one trying to pay no 200 bucks for a whole kit. This kit's only 70 bucks. But we gotta figure out the mixing ratio on the primer. So where's it at, Viren?
4 to 1.
4 to 1. Thank you. All right, you want to mix the activator? Go ahead. Remember, number 6. Is that number 6? Are you sure? All right. No. You're a little bit too shy on there. A little bit more. Good. There you go. Give me some. Ready to go. Alright. Who's gonna primer? Go ahead. Remember, slow. All the way, all the way. So he didn't do too good. He messed up and I sent him in the house packing. He'll learn again. That's a no-no. But he did pretty decent.